had a message from Pat in the Facebook group a few days ago asking to see how I use our new seam guides. That's an acrylic template. So I'm going to go ahead and slide over. I've got my sewing machine set up over here so I can show you how to use those guides. So this is what the seam guide looks like. It's got a 4-inch ruler along the top edge, and it's got cutouts and measurements for all of the different seam allowances that you might use for your project. So it's got an 1/8 of an inch seam allowance through the 3/4 on this side, and you can use it in a straight stitch sewing machine like mine, or it will especially be helpful if you have a sewing machine where your needle changes position, because sometimes depending on what you're sewing you might need to use a different seam allowance, or as most of my sewing patterns call for top stitching of an 1/8 of an inch seam allowance, sometimes it's hard to know where exactly that position is on the machine. So let me go ahead and show you how this works. So first you're going to start with the needle in the down position, and I'm just going to choose a seam allowance and go ahead and slide this sort of triangle shaped cutout in the machine. I'm going to choose the 1/2 inch seam allowance right here. So I'm just going to slide that 1/2 inch until the needle fits the groove. And you also may have noticed there's horizontal lines running across. These are to help you pick a place on your machine, line it up using one of these lines, and it'll help you get a straight edge. So again, I'm going to slide that 1/2 inch seam allowance in there. I'm going to line up one of those horizontal lines with my feed dogs right here just so I can get a straight line. And then my daughter Violet lent me some of her washi tape. You can use painter's tape as well. Either of these two tapes will easily remove from the bed of your sewing machine so you don't have a sticky residue. So I'm just going to go ahead and rip off a little piece here. The washi tape's pretty readily available at your local craft store. And I'm just going to line up that washi tape with the side edge of the ruler. So there we go right here. I've got that 1/2 inch seam allowance, and when I need to remove that tape, it'll just easily come off there. So another quick tip, if you have a needle that moves different positions, make sure you have it in your chosen position before you go ahead and use that seam guide. But it's really easy to use. It's got this little cutout hole also for easy hanging in your sewing machine, or you can go ahead and loop it through some thread or any other material to hang it in your sewing room. So that's how to use the seam guide, really quick and easy.